In 1962, President John F. Kennedy said, "We choose to go to the moon and do the hard things in this decade and beyond, not because they are easy, but because they are hard." That's what we mean by moonshot thinking.
A moonshot is a radical approach to solving a very complex problem. A moonshot is a breakthrough that would not be possible with business as usual mentality. What is a really big problem in your life? What could be a radical solution and a feasible pathway to get there? You're trying to go 10 times bigger than your competition or what you've been doing in the past. Because even if you fail and don't go 10 times bigger, I promise you, the mindset shift that you will have of how you actually approach solving this problem will radically change your business, your industry, and your personal life. What seems currently impossible to you today, that if it were true tomorrow, would totally change everything? Shoot for the moon, because even if you fail, I promise you, you will land amongst the stars. Thank you, TLC, for this incredible opportunity.